Hi, how are you? Welcome to my Turkish lessons. My name is Yasin. I hope all you are doing well. Today I'm going to help you learn the daily basis Turkish phrases that when you meet someone Turkish somewhere, on a street or somewhere else, that probably you maybe hear some phrases and some expressions from Turkish native speakers. At this point, I want to help you what they might be. So you will see here on the screen as well, Turkish in Turkish written, and then also you will hear the pronunciation that how they speak. At this point, I will help you with these examples. Now, when you first time meet someone in Turkey or someone Turkish guys, that they may ask you, or you may have a dialogues, something like this. For example, you may hear like, Merhaba, nasılsın? Ben iyiyim. Ya sen nasılsın? Ben de iyiyim. Nerelisin? Ben Türkiye'liyim. Ya sen nerelisin? Now at this point, when the Turkish guy asks you or Turkish person asks you, where are you from in Turkish? So you can say where you are from. For example, if you are from Japan, you can say Japonya. Ben Japonyalıyım. Sen Japon musun? Evet, ben Japonum. Okay. Sen Türk müsün? Evet, ben Türk'üm. İsmin nedir? Or they may ask you, adın nedir? Adın nedir? Benim adım Yasin. Ya sizin adınız? So at this point when I say ya sizin adınız, I don't know who you are. So to be polite, so I start with asking sizin instead of saying senin, which is informal style. So I prefer to say senin or for sizin because I don't know you. So I ask sizin. So okay, sizin adınız nedir? Benim adım Tomoko. For example, Pekala, senin adın nedir? Benim adım Yasin. Tanıştığıma memnun oldum. Ben de memnun oldum. So when you meet first time, these are the possible questions and answers you may hear from dual speakers on in the dialogue. So this really help you how you can have your conversations for the starting exercise. I hope it really gives you an idea like how you can start the conversation with the Turkish person. So start asking first, hello, how are you? Where are you from? What's your name? And after you say, nice to meet you. These are the simple dialogues. Normally, Turkish people prefer to talk like this. Okay, let's start now. Merhaba. Nasılsınız? İyiyim. Ya siz? Ben de iyiyim. Nerelisiniz? Ben Japonyalıyım. Ya siz nerelisiniz? Ben Türkiye'liyim. Siz Japon musunuz? Evet, ben Japonum. Ya siz? Türk müsünüz? Evet, ben Türk'üm. Tanıştığıma memnun oldum. Bu arada isminiz neydi? Benim adım Tomoko. Ya sizin adınız nedir? Benim adım Yasin. Tanıştığıma memnun oldum. Tanıştığıma memnun oldum. Tanıştığıma memnun oldum. Hoşça kalın. So these are the things that when you have a dialogue in Turkish with someone Turkish, so these are the possible starting warm-up kind of conversations, which is really great actually for the first step to get to know each other. If you want, if your level of English is a bit higher, which can really go well with with the other Turkish guys and also for you as well. So that's the end of our lesson. For the beginning, I am trying to make more examples on daily basis Turkish phrases and kind of informal style of learning Turkish with more dialogues. And now that's all I can say. Thank you very much for your time. Vaktiniz için teşekkürler. Bir sonraki dersimizde görüşmek üzere. Şimdilik hoşça kalın.